Need stronger online security? Let's enable TD Bank two-step verification on the website in under a minute. Open td.com and click Sign In, then enter your username and password. After signing in, click your name, select Profile and Settings, then choose Security Settings. Under two-step verification, click Manage, then select Add or Turn On. Pick a verification method, text message or authenticator app. We'll use text message for this example. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone, click Verify, then Save to finish. On mobile, open the TD Bank app and sign in with biometrics or your password. Tap the menu icon, go to Settings, then Security and Privacy. Select two-step verification, tap Enable, and choose text message or authenticator. If you choose authenticator, scan the QR code with your app and enter the generated code. If you choose text, enter the code sent to your phone and tap Verify. Security tip: use an authenticator app for stronger protection. Enable two-step verification now to keep your account safer.